Have you ever had a lifelong dream? Something that exists only in the back of your mind? I have. Something that was always out of reach. An achievement that I didn't know how to achieve. But a desire to do it anyway. Sometimes you feel you're just on the wrong path. This path that you're on is not your destiny. You know you can achieve something great. But in order to do that, you need to step out of your comfort zone. You need to be brave, and you need to come up with a plan. How can I make this my future? I wanted something more, something I could be proud of. My overactive brain needed something to focus on, and that's when it hit me. I need a workshop, and as such, the cabin workshop was born. But that lingering question was still not answered. But nevertheless, I got to work. I'm an avid chess fan. And I love the idea of making custom chessboards to teach my son the basics of chess, just like my father did with me when I was young. And that was my first attempt at anything in the workshop. But chessboards were not my future. I wanted to make a table. Before building the workshop, I scoured YouTube for ideas, and that's when I came across the 4 YouTubers that really made the fire inside burn bright with ideas. First it was Cam at Blacktail Studio. He showed me how easy it would be to make a table.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist.
Step 1, wake up early, gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Then I came across Matt Esley, where I was shown the fine intricacies of woodworking.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Not long after I stumbled across Dana Maid. The funny Aussie guy who showed me that you can make a table from just wood and glue. And as a result, My first table was born. And finally, it was Jesper Makes, the lovable Danish fellow who showed me the beauty in combining a project with an elegant backstory. I wouldn't be making the things I am today without any one of those 4 guys, so I want to thank them. But I still have that question unanswered. How can I make this my future? With that question still lingering, I moved on to my next project, which is this that you've seen me working on throughout this whole video. Somehow, I was hoping that this table would hold the answer. This table is made from some leftover oak flooring. First I planed and glued the boards together. After that I got to work carving the leg. It was a tough thing to do for a beginner like me, but I'm not one to shy away from a challenge. But how could this table hold the answer? And then it came to me. I have to sell this table. If I could just find a buyer, then I'll be one step closer.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to begin. Yeah, they all wanna win, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down.
Okay, so I've posted the table to the local buy and sell group, the local marketplace, if you will. Very nervous. I'll probably cry if I wake up tomorrow and I've got a buyer. I probably won't have. It's probably going to take a lot more than that just to sell it. But it's the first step that I've taken. And I'm really happy, I'm really proud of the table. I'm really proud of the pictures that we took. Yeah, and I just hope that I can find a buyer. So yeah, I'm going to be nervous now for the next few days, next few weeks maybe. I don't know how long it's going to take to sell, but fingers crossed I can find a buyer.